So we're doing a bit of work on the postie bike for our big ride. We found a little bit of an oil leak, so we're just investigating that. We're going to change over the front sprocket and just give it a general once over. We've got a broken lever here that needs replacing as well at the top. And Dave's just cleaning off our dash plate. We're just doing a clean up. We might do a clean underneath the bike as well, I think.
She could do with it.
So, somewhere under here is a leak, and we think it might be coming from here. Yeah, it's fairly dry over this side, isn't it? Yep.
It's all been fucking
Oh,
smashed.
been bent up, yeah.
I'll get into it on the end.
Okay, yep. Use the little V-Vor one, mate.
Yep.
Just going to take this cover off to expose our gear.
Always have liked working with metal.
Bit more of a clean up in there. And we're going to have to take this off to get that bolt out. What a pain. Okay, got it off. What a pain. Found a broken bracket on there. It's probably not that urgent, but we'll see if we can do something about repairing it. And then take this bolt out, and that'll let us take that cover off. Okay, I found another one. There's one down here. Really tight. Okay, so I've got that exposed now. And, geez, it's filthy in there. There's a lot of crap on there. A lot of build-up of muck and gunk and crap. Might have to give this a clean off in there too. I'm just wondering if maybe...
Put a tray underneath it.
Well, no, wheel it out and hit it with the pressure blaster.
Oh yeah, that'd be good.
Okay, there's the little bugger. Right there. We've got it all cleaned up, as clean as we can get it. Might have to hit that with the brush. I'm going to take the back wheel out. We're going to replace this rear sprocket and the front sprocket. So back wheel's out. Back brake's got heaps. That's the bit we're going to replace. The blocks are pretty good, but the wheel's filthy. Drum looks good. Bearings feel good. Yep.
What have we got here?
So it'd probably be about a 17 mil.
Good guess.
Okay, yep. Hold it.
Did you get your finger stuck in there?
No, just it's not quite sitting right.
Oh. Yep.
Pair of pliers onto it, straighten it up. Okay. Oh yeah.
Struggle.
Alright, so this has got to go in first.
Alright.
Okay.
Right, it's pretty. He's going.
Oh, look at that.
Like a finger up a bum.
Yeah, I'm going to try and get that in there.
Turn it a wee bit.
See, bring it over. Yes, so a little bit more. In.
Now we're in.
Okay, sliding forward a bit.
You want to oil the bolt?
Yeah, I might put a bit of oil. Actually, pass that chain lube. Put a bit of chain lube on it.
Yes, sir.
I don't know if I can go up and down. And there's a space to go this side as well. Which is not going to be that easy to put in. Okay. Hang on. Okay, so we got the wheel in there. Everything's all sweet. Nice shiny new sprocket. Going to do the front sprocket now, which is a fairly straightforward sort of a job. Okay, so the sprocket goes on. And then the lock tab on. Turn it a little bit with a bit of friendly persuasion. Oh, why isn't it turning? That's too far in. Now I've gone too far. Screwdriver. I cannot get the mongrel to turn. You just got to have it in the right spot. There we go. And then the bolts go in. Okay, tighten them up. Tighten them up to what, about 1 FT?
Click. Click.
Okay. That's that. Now we've got to have a look at this chain and see how much we need to take off it, because we will need to take a few links off. So threader on, Dave. Actually put in neutral. Yep.
Probably should have got up the top, but
Oh, we might not need to.
I think we're going to be all right.
Yeah. Oh, mind you, that looks like it's, yeah, almost at the end of its bloody tether, isn't it? We'll have to,
Just need to go that way.
yeah, you'll have to probably loosen the other one off as well. All right, so it's got to go in the right way, doesn't it? So it's got to go in,
Towards the front.
yep, pointing forwards
Yeah.
so that it doesn't undo itself. And then we've got to somehow or other pop it in place. Screwdriver. No.
Have to do the
Got it. And almost my finger. Now we can start putting everything back together again. The first thing on, actually while it's in place, I'll just check the tension on those front sprocket bolts. Yep. Okay. And then got the wrong way around. And where's that bottom one down there?
Screws at the spark plug.
Just going to do the brackets up underneath. The brake pedal and the foot pegs and all the bits and pieces that we're not going to really need anyway. We're going to work out how we're going to do some highway pegs on this too. Yeah. Mind you, your knees, legs will be up around your knees. Yeah, sorry, your legs will be up around your chin.
Oh, we could do down the bottom. Could go underneath.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be about right. I think the bar's too small for the bar clamp one.
Yeah.
A single bar with a couple of U-bolt clamps.
We're going to make an adjustment to the needle on the carby. So in order to do that, you need to take off this side cover, which we've already done. And now my trusty assistant Dave is going to take out the top of the carby and pull that out, which will show you the mechanism and how we're going to do this. Stop. So we have to pull the spring all the way up, and while holding the spring up, it's fiddly.
Yeah.
You have to slide the cable out through there. Okay. Oh, we'll have the spring on there. Okay, just hold on for a tick.
Okay.
Okay, so you see the little mongrel clip inside there. Matter of fact, if you just gently push the needle, the clip will come out. There's your clip.
Yep.
Okay, put that down there. And here's the needle and clip. Okay, so we're two from the bottom. We're going to reset that into the middle. We've got the pliers on there now. Important that you don't lose this clip because you won't find another one.
Use this clip.
Yep. Okay, so we've got it off. It's still in there. 1, 2, 3. Push it in. That's as simple as that. Then you slide this back down into there. And the little spring clip. Start again. Little spring clip goes in. Push it all the way down. And then just a matter of putting this all back together again. So we'll get this spring all the way up. Slide that in there and pull the cable through the slot on the side. Drop it back down and then locate inside. So if you look inside there, you've got a, got the little locator on the side, and you want the ramp on this side. So you've got a ramp on here, so that groove there that the cable slides down goes on the back side. So that little ramp in there goes onto this adjusting screw down here. So you've got to make sure that you have it in the right way around. And there's also a locator on the back, and once it's in there it will go all the way down and nip it up and away you go. That's it. So I guess we just see if it starts now. Okay, so we're just going to adjust the idle speed. Now this is cold, so it's not too bad. And I reckon what we do is we just check all of these. We've been told that it's important that the airbox is in good nick. I know there's no holes in it and no cracks, but they can tighten them up a little bit. They need to be tight. And alright, what do you reckon? So we just got back from our test ride, and the postie went reasonably well for the first hour, and then it started surging and missing. We've done a little bit of research, and it could be a couple of things, but the fact that this is not the original carby makes me think that there's possibly a problem with the carby. I've spoken to Mike from Lambda Motorcycles, who's a guru with these things, and he thinks it might be the carby as well. So we're going to bite the bullet and grab another carby for it. It did run a hell of a lot better than it had, but still got that disappointing little miss, and we've got to get that fixed before we go anywhere. We did a 70k round trip on it today, and apart from the last 20k's, it was pretty decent. So we'll post this video, and then we'll see what happens with the carby next time.